Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about character array, part of programming in C course. A character array in C is a one-dimensional array that stores characters. It can be used to store strings, which are sequences of characters. Here is an example of declaring and initializing a character array. In this example, the array name has 8 elements of the data type char, and it is initialized with the string John Doe. You can also declare an array without initializing it, as shown below. In this case, the array elements are not initialized and will have undefined values. You can access individual characters in a character array using the array name followed by the index in square brackets, as shown below. This will print the first character of the array is J. You can also use a loop to iterate over all the characters of a character array and perform some operation on them. Here is an example that prints all the characters of the array. This will print John Doe. The loop continues until it reaches the null character, that is /0, at the end of the string. You can also use the function string length to determine the length of a string, as shown below. This will print the length of the string is 8. In C, a string is represented by an array of characters, terminated by a null character, that is /0. And the last element of a string should be null character, which indicates the end of the string. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.